A tornado can produce terrifying winds, while a hurricane can swallow entire coastlines. But which storm is actually more powerful? They both rotate violently, but tornadoes and hurricanes are completely different atmospheric machines operating on radically different scales. Tornadoes usually develop from powerful thunderstorms, when changing wind speed and direction help create intense atmospheric rotation. We are witnessing the birth of a tropical cyclone, a massive heat engine driven by the warm ocean waters below. Size is the first huge difference. A tornado may span hundreds of meters. A hurricane can stretch hundreds of kilometers. Tornadoes commonly survive for minutes. Tropical cyclones can remain organized for days, traveling across enormous distances before finally weakening.
At the extreme end, an EF5 tornado is assigned estimated 3-second wind gusts greater than 200 miles per hour.
A Category 5 hurricane is a swirling vortex of unimaginable power. The ocean below is a maelstrom of violent waves, demonstrating the sheer force of nature unleashed. But those numbers are not directly equivalent. Tornado ratings estimate short gusts, while hurricane categories use sustained wind. So tornadoes can win in concentrated peak wind, but hurricanes dominate when we compare the enormous area being affected. A tornado concentrates its worst destruction inside a relatively narrow path, sometimes devastating structures within only seconds. A hurricane can impact hundreds of miles of coastline with destructive wind, huge waves, rain, and widespread flooding. And hurricane wind is only part of the danger. Storm surge can push ocean water far inland along vulnerable coastlines.
Heavy hurricane rainfall can also cause dangerous flooding far from the exact point where the storm reaches land.
There is another twist. Hurricanes can actually produce tornadoes, especially inside thunderstorms embedded within their outer rainbands. Hurricanes are usually tracked long before landfall, while individual tornadoes can develop rapidly from severe thunderstorms. That means the safest response differs too. Tornadoes demand immediate shelter, while hurricanes may require large-scale evacuation. Peak localized wind, tornado advantage. Size, duration, and total affected area, hurricane advantage. Neither storm should ever be underestimated.
So which is more powerful? For concentrated wind, tornadoes can be more extreme. For widespread destruction, hurricanes usually dominate.
Tornado versus hurricane, two completely different monsters of the atmosphere. Which one would you rather never experience?